Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I'll show you the deals that I got as well as tons of other deals that I didn't purchase, but I'll tell you what they are in case your family needs those as well. I'm also going to show you how I used the booster coupon that spend 25 get $7 in Walgreens cash on health and wellness products. I also had a spend 30 get $10 in Walgreens cash digital booster, and yes, you can stack those. I actually did a triple stack with a paper booster, so I'll tell you how all of that worked. And actually, for the first time in a really long time, I did all of the deals this morning in store. So that's kind of different for me, but everything went perfectly. Also kind of different with Walgreens. So I'm going to give you all of that information. I'm trying to think of anything that's special that I want to mention. The one special thing for me is that this week is my birthday. So that is fun and I'm excited, hopefully for a really good week. I know last week I told y'all I had it felt like bad things or annoying things just kept happening, and I was kind of in this rut of, oh my gosh, what else? And y'all were very, very sweet, and I actually ended up having a great week. I had a lot of alone time last week, which was abnormal, and I really enjoyed that. So I'm excited for my birthday. We went and celebrated at like a little amusement park, because that's what every 42-year-old does. Using my Get Out Pass, if you've seen my video on that. So we got in for free, had a lot of fun doing that. If you want to check out the Get Out Pass, I do have a full video on it. My discount code Christina will get you the best possible price. No matter what deal they're running, that code gets you their best price possible, and we love our Get Out Pass. Okay, so let's talk about this one first, because I actually did this one on Friday, but the deal is still there. If your store has the flips, look in the Walgreens app. You want to see if your store has any in stock, because in the app, not in the store, in the app, they are marked on clearance for 99 cents. So pick up 5 of them at 99 cents, place it as a curbside order. When you get your receipt, submit that receipt to Ibotta, and you'll get $1 back on each of them, making them all free. Now, of course, double check, make sure you have that $1 Ibotta offer before you buy them. Also, make sure your store will give you a receipt for a curbside order. Now, I've answered this question a billion times, but I know I get new people following me all the time who haven't heard the answer. To get a receipt on curbside, I do not say I'm on the way. I get to the store, I walk into the store, I go over to where they have the curbside orders. I say, I'm here to pick up my curbside order. Can you check it out with the regular product scanner, not your handheld Zebra? That way I get a receipt. And they give me a receipt. Will all stores do this? I don't know. I can only tell you that the stores I've been to, when I ask that way, give me a receipt. If you tell them you're on the way, they might already check out your curbside order using their Zebra, and at that point there is no way you can get a receipt, which means you cannot submit to Ibotta. So hopefully that information helps. I was able to score 5 of these flips completely free, but that's incredibly dangerous because I had never tried them before, and holy cow, they are really, really good. So just be careful on that, because they're really tasty. Okay, let's talk about the laundry care deal, because it is double dipping. Right now this week, they are $5.49. Buy 4, get a $5 register reward. There's also a second register reward printing because we are spending $20 when we purchase 4 of them. So let me tell you how it worked for me. I picked up 4 of the laundry products. I got a Gain, I got a Tide Liquid, and a Bounce. Now, I picked those 4 products because I had 2 $1.50 digitals for the Tide, and I had a $1 digital for the Bounce and the Gain. So that meant I paid $16.96. I got back the $5 register reward for buying 4, like is advertised in the ad, but I also got a $5 register reward for spending $20. So that dropped my total down to $6.96 for all 4 of them, or $1.74 each. Now, what's included in the spend 20? It says Pantene, Head & Shoulders, Aussie, Native, Gillette, Venus, Crest, Oral-B, Secret, Olay, Always, Always Discreet, and more. So these products counted. The Downy was also counting on that. Great deal on laundry care products. Another Procter & Gamble deal you can do, and I did this in a separate transaction because I wanted to make sure I got the $5 in register rewards, is on the Old Spice deodorants. Now these are $6 each. You want to buy 3 of them, that's $18. There is a $5 digital. That means you're paying $13. But then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $2 back for each of them, so $6 back from Ibotta, and that $5 register reward, making your final cost $2 or 66 cents each. Now, because these deals here are buy 3 and buy 4, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. Those are not spend deals. So on this, I used Walgreens cash to pay for this, and I got both register rewards, just so you know. Okay, questions? Let me know in the comments. If you're getting different products, let us know what you're getting and if you got both of those register rewards. Now let's talk about that booster of spend 25, get 7 in health and wellness products. So I wasn't excited about that. One, because it said H&W products. The average shopper has no idea what that means. The average shopper, myself included, has no idea what all is included in health and wellness and what is not. So I had to play with it a little bit in the app this morning to figure out what was considered health and wellness and what was not, and what would come up with the best deal. Now, again, I did this in store because I wanted to use my spend 25, get 7 health and wellness along with the spend 30, get 10 digital, and then I had a spend 20, get 7 paper. So I did it in store. I picked up 2 of these Compeeds at $12.99. Now, if you do it curbside, these are only $9.99, so take that into account. They were $12.99 in my store. Your store could be different. I picked this one because there is a $4 Ibotta offer. I also grabbed a cortisone. So here's how the math worked out. I got 2 of the Compete at $12.99. I got 1 of the cortisone at $7.49. This has a $2 store digital. That means I had to be at the $30 after that $2 came off, which I was. So after that $2 store digital came off, I was at $31.47. Now, the $7 digital booster for spending 25 on health and wellness applied. The $10 when I spend 30 applied. The $7 when I spend 20 paper booster applied. I also got back $4 on each of these from Ibotta and $2 from this one on Ibotta, meaning all 3 of those were free and a $2.53 moneymaker. I also used register rewards in store to pay down my balance. Now, other deals you might want to consider for the health and wellness. The Splenda diabetes shakes, those are $9.99. There's a $4 Ibotta rebate on that one. The Allegra D, now I couldn't get it to pull up online and I forgot to look at my store, but there's a Ibotta offer on the Allegra D as well as a high value digital coupon. So look at that one as well. The Asper Cream with lidocaine, there is a digital coupon, there's an Ibotta offer, and there is a Shop Kick offer. So that might be another one you think about including in your health and wellness scenario that you might build for yourself. So hopefully that gave you some ideas. Now, other deals that I did not do, but you might want to know about. First of all, there is a code FUN15 that gives you 15% off a $25 site-wide purchase. So obviously that is online or curbside. The nice potato chips are $1.99 on sale this week. The Lucky Charms, 2 for $6. There's a $1 digital. You would pay $5. Get back $1.50 on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be $3.50 or $1.75 each. The hot dogs are buy one, get one free, so those are 2 for $8. That makes them 2 for $4, or just $2 each. That's when you do them curbside. The splash drinks are $2.99 each. I had a $2.25 digital. That would make them $3.73 or $1.86 each. The Smucker's jelly, 2 for $6. There's a 75-cent coupon that makes it $5.25 for both or $2.62 each. Now, again, if you haven't heard me say this, I like to tell you the grocery deals that are at Walgreens. I try to look for the grocery deals that are cheaper than what I could find at my regular grocery store because you can use your Walgreens cash and your register rewards to pay for your groceries. The Nice toilet paper is on sale for $1.99. The Lysol sanitizer, so the curbside price is $6.49. There's a $2 digital, making it $4.49, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. Final cost $1.99. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I have 2 different Ibotta bonuses that end today. One was like 5 for doing 15, and then one was bigger, but I'm really close to hitting both of those. I didn't hit it with my Walgreens deals this morning, but I'm going to stop by H-E-B, my grocery store, later and try to hit up a few deals to finish out both of those bonuses. Now, questions, let me know. Other great deals you're finding, please let us know down in the comments. Have a great week. It's my birthday week, so everyone should just have an amazing week. Thanks.